And we begin first up with a statement coming in from the JMM after the exit polls indicate that there could be a hunger house in the state. The JMM says that that is not a possibility and that it would retain power in the state is what JMM leader says. So after multiple projections seem to suggest that it is going to be a very tough contest between the NDA and the JMM Congress in the state, the latter having dismissed the exit poll projections. Let's listen in to that statement coming in from the JMM.
देखिए, बड़बोले लोग हैं, कुछ से कुछ बोलेंगे। लोकसभा के चुनाव में 400 पार का आंकड़ा पहुंचाने के लिए कई एक सर्वे एजेंसियां आपस में ही पूरा एक कंपटीशन था कि कौन ज्यादा सीटें देता है। वैसी स्थिति में सर्वे एजेंसियों की भूमिका विश्वसनीय नहीं रह जाती है, हम लोगों ने देखा है। और जहां तक भाजपा की बात है, 65 पार का नारा भी पिछले बार उन लोगों ने दिया था, हसर क्या हुआ। 400 पार का नारा भी उनका था, हसर क्या हुआ। जो धरातल पर जो रिपोर्टिंग है आप सभी लोग जानते हैं, और कई एक सर्वे एजेंसियों ने दिखलाया है कि हम 50 के ऊपर जा रहे हैं। उसके बावजूद भी हम एग्जिट पोल पर भरोसा करते हैं।
And after the poll projection hints that there is a possibility that Indy could lose another state after the Haryana poll debacle, the BJP is confident of winning in the state of Jharkhand. It says that it will wrest power from sovereign government and that it would win more than 50 seats in the 81 assembly seats in the state. Let's listen in to that statement coming in from the BJP.
से सहमत नहीं है। हमें लगता है जो सीटें एग्जिट पोल दे रही हैं उनसे भी ज्यादा सीटें हमें आएंगी, क्योंकि एक जबरदस्त अंडर करेंट था। छात्रों में नाराजगी थी, महिलाओं में नाराजगी थी, किसानों में नाराजगी थी। सभी वर्गों को इन्होंने बड़े बड़े वायदे करके छला था। तो अब 23 नवंबर को हमें लगता है अब की बार एनडीए की सरकार से सहमत नहीं है। हमें लगता है जो सीटें एग्जिट पोल दे रही हैं उनसे भी ज्यादा सीटें हमें आएंगी, क्योंकि एक जबरदस्त अंडर करेंट था। छात्रों में नाराजगी थी, महिलाओं में नाराजगी थी, किसानों में नाराजगी थी। सभी वर्गों को इन्होंने बड़े बड़े वायदे करके छला था। तो अब 23 नवंबर को हमें लगता है अब की बार एनडीए की सरकार।
All right, so after the Haryana poll debacle, it is a possibility that the Indy could lose another state, as the projections indicate that this is a very tough contest, and there is also a possible scenario of hung assembly in the state. Let's quickly run you through the exit poll projections. A total of 81 seats in the state of Jharkhand. It's projected that the NDA could win 41 seats, 31 to 40 seats. It's PMARC projection. Indy could win somewhere between 37 to 47, while others contesting could win somewhere between 1 to 6. So a very, very close contest between the JMM Congress and the BJP in the state of Jharkhand. Total seats being 41. Poll of poll indicates that they could win over 40 seats, the BJP, the NDA in the state, while Indy could get somewhere around 35 to 37. The others could get 3. Matrix that has projected that NDA could win around 40 to 45 seats, Indy that could win 32 seats, and others getting 4 seats in the 181 assembly seats. Let's also tell you about the poll of polls projections in the state of Jharkhand, which suggests that NDA could get 39 of the 81 seats. Indy could also get 39. So that's poll of poll, which projects that there is a high chance of a hung assembly in the state of Jharkhand. Others that could get at least 3 seats, beg your pardon, in the state of Jharkhand. Just to add here, we've seen the high voltage campaigning in the run-up to the Jharkhand elections. The BJP has been very aggressive in its push for NRC implementation in the state, and also going on to mention about how there is going to be crackdown on the Bangladeshi infiltrators in the state, and the welfare of the tribal community that is going to be catered to. Jharkhand poll of polls, like we told you, 39 seats that they've given to NDA, Indy to 39 seats, and to others 3 seats in the state. Let's now shift focus to the state of Maharashtra, where the exit polls indicate that the Mahayuti could retain power in the state. So a possible second term that is likely for the Mahayuti alliance.